Today was like any other day for Bob. Middle of the pack, average. This is Bob.
What? My name is Osmar.
Except today, Bob was going to become a hero.
I am?
Do you think you got a shot? Everybody here wanna see what I've got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright.
Hey, Bob, you coming?
Oh, I gotta go.
All right, let's go.
As Bob contemplates his sanity, he also wonders, is there any chance that he wasn't perfectly average? Well, below average. Whether it was his Gatorade or the comforts of riding in the IIHS's top safety pick, the Nissan Armada, it was all about to change for Bob. And I'm not just talking about him riding off with Cars.com's best SUV of 2026. Bob, look. But since then, it's been clear. Bob doesn't see himself as just another guy anymore.
Wait.
Now, you may not be Bob,
How are we going to get back to base?
but you should come in to Don Williamson Nissan to test drive the Nissan Armada. It could just change your life.